Throughout the quarter, we have covered many topics, from sperm collection to oocyte collection, and even evaluating them under microscopes. However, the most interesting lab this quarter was about placentas. The placenta has many functions, such as exchange of gas, nutrients, and waste. It acts as an endocrine organ, secreting hormones like estrogen, progesterone, HCG, ECG, and more. It also offers chemical and physical protection for the developing fetus. The four main types of placentas are diffuse, zonary, discoid, and cotyledonary. In lab, we dissected the placenta of a cow, which has a cotyledonary placenta. Sheep and goats also have this placenta. However, they have concave caruncles, and the cow has convex caruncles.
We started our dissection by getting a placenta and cutting through the cervix first. Here, Lauren is cutting through the maternal myometrium and endometrium, exposing the fetus surrounded by the amniotic cavity. The cotyledonary placenta is characterized by caruncles that spread across the surface of the chorion. These fetal cotyledons were difficult to see in the video, but apparent in this picture. When fetal cotyledons join with the maternal caruncle, they form a placentum. Cows have convex cotyledons covered in finger-like villi that protrude toward the lumen of the uterus. We cut the chorion open in order to get a better look at the fetus releasing the amniotic fluid. The fetus we dissected was very underdeveloped, so we included a picture of our neighbors.
However, in my lab, which was Wednesday's lab, we had a much more developed fetus with much more apparent cotyledons. Here, we cut the chorion open to look closer at the fetus, and all the amniotic fluid came out at the first cut. The allantois is a fluid-filled sac that collects liquid waste from the embryo. As the embryo grows, the allantois continues to expand and will eventually make contact with the chorion. When the allantois reaches a certain volume, it presses against the chorion. It eventually fuses with it to create the allantochorion. In this embryo, the allantochorion was beginning to form. As you can see,